I think there are a couple of reasons why meditation as it's traditionally presented is off-putting or has been off-putting. Is one, a lot of us don't respond well to didgeridoo music and, chakras and third eye and all that stuff, just write it off as just bullshit. Two, often the traditional art around meditation depicts people with these beatific looks on their faces and they're floating off into the cosmos. And that sends the message that the only way to meditate is to be in this, bulletproof bubble of bliss and your mind is clear and all that stuff. Well, that's not true. Clearing the mind is impossible unless you're enlightened or you've died. And nobody tells you that. But that's important to know, that meditation is not about clearing the mind. It's about focusing the mind for nanoseconds at a time, usually on the feeling of your breath coming in and going out. And then every time you get distracted, which you will a million times, the point is just to notice that you've become distracted and to start again and again and again. And that act of seeing your distraction and going back to the breath is like a bicep curl for your brain. And it boosts the areas of the brain associated with attention regulation. It reduces the area of the brain associated with stress and increases another area of the brain associated with emotional reactivity so that you're not so yanked around by your emotions. And these are life-changing benefits that should be available to everybody and not just people who, have a third lens in their sunglasses so they can cover their third eye, like that. That's what I'm trying to do.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.